The Incline Dumbbell Y Raise is an excellent exercise that targets the muscles in the upper back and shoulders. The primary muscles worked include the upper trapezius as well as the rear deltoids and rhomboids. To get started, adjust the incline bench to a low angle around 30 to 45 degrees. Sit on the incline bench with your chest against the pad, legs straight behind you with your arms hanging straight down towards the floor. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with an overhand, palms facing in grip. Exhale as you retract your shoulder blades to lift the dumbbells up and out in a Y-shaped motion while keeping a slight bend in your elbows and maintaining the palms facing in grip. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine and keep your chest pressed against the bench. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbells back down under control while keeping tension on the muscles. Repeat for reps without allowing the dumbbells to swing or using momentum to lift them. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.